Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Indani Halwa. I'm from Istanbul class. In this video, I will make fruit salad. Check it out. Tools: cutting board, knife, cheese grater, spoon, and glass. Material: mayonnaise, sweetened condensed milk, cheese, red celery, and fruit. Here I use papaya, mango, apple, and dragon fruit. Steps to make fruit salad. First, dice all the fruit. Second, prepare a bowl. Put all the fruits in a bowl. Then mix the fruits until evenly distributed. Add mayonnaise on top. Add sweetened condensed milk. Add red syrup. Then grate the cheese. Next, mix the fruit salad evenly. Then provide a glass. Put the mixed fruit salad into the glass. Lastly, sprinkle the cheese. And finish!